All right, so welcome back, crew, and welcome to another video. So guys, as you guys know, a couple of weeks ago we finished up all of the body parts of the 55 Chevy pickup truck, and now we're finally working on the frame. I got the frame behind me here, guys, and we're going to go ahead and start taking everything apart. I've already took the front wheels off and everything, the rotors. And as you see, I'm just trying to break it down. I also, I did it off camera, but I took a power washer to it. I put a lot of, what I use is oven cleaner. So I put all the oven cleaner up here and cleaned off. As you guys see, it's really slick and clean down in there. So I also took my grinder and I grinded some of the rust spots and stuff. So now I just got to go back with my angle iron wheel, and I will go ahead and do a little bit more sanding. But today my main focus is to try to break down everything. I want to try to get the spindles off, and everything is so rusted and just seized up. It's very hard, so I've been soaking it with that PB Blaster here. So I got new springs, I got new rotors, I got new brake pads, new calipers. So we will be putting those on the truck after we go ahead and strip this stuff down and I put the new parts on. But first we're gonna go ahead and get these springs out, or struts. And I'm gonna also try to get the I guess the crossbar, swing bar off there, and we're gonna go from there, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this. Right, so I guess the first thing I'm gonna try to do, we're gonna try to take off this strut. Okay, so let me try to get my tools together and see if I can figure out what goes what, man. Take up these struts here. I know it's gonna be time consuming. Set you guys up as best I can. That's coming out, that's good. guys, I have everything where I need it, and then next thing I can't find them nowhere. Alright, that should drop right up there. A lot easier though when you got the right stuff, man, I tell you. Should fall right up. Alright, good deal. Guess once I drop everything, it'll just fall right down. So that's good. Let's get to the next one. Alright crew, I'm going to show you guys where I'm at. I didn't want to show you the tedious things of me painting every last bit of this frame, but I probably will show you a little bit of painting. But this is going to be the hardest, and I want to make sure that I got this in good and detail. So I already did the A-arms. I took off the everything as far as the brackets, the drop spindles, the rotors, and then I went and I started underneath first. You guys see how I'm painting that with a brush. I just put black industrial paint on it, and it turns out good. So far I just got the front end, the front clip. I'm gonna paint the racket pinion probably silver there, and that's the industrial paint I'm using. So this is as far as I got so far. I got Poppy out here with me today. All right. So that's where we at, man. Let's go ahead and get started some more.